Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on Clickbank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you. Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes, if you'll be following my channel videos, you know I am an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online, and I'm teaching people on how to make money on Clickbank affiliate marketing. Yes, you would have known what affiliate marketing is by now. Affiliate marketing is just selling a particular product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. And there are different companies online, like digital platforms, the affiliate marketing platforms, which give the opportunity to people online to sign up and promote products for them. And the more product you sell, the more commission you get, which means the more product you sell, the commission there. For instance, if a product costs, maybe a shoe costs $100 and you sell it for the company can give you a commission of $20 as your own commission from the own money. So that is what affiliate marketing is: selling a particular product for a company and getting a commission for it. And we both know that the more product you sell, the more commission you are going to get. And there are different methods by which you can promote products online so that you can get commission. We have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Let me start with the paid traffic system. The paid traffic system is a method whereby you pay digital platforms or freelancers online for them to promote your product, and platforms that allow you to pay them to promote your product are social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and other digital platforms online. And freelancing also, you can pay on Upwork, Fiverr, and any freelancing platform. You can pay freelancers who are into digital marketing or any form of marketing to promote your product for you. But I'm going to tell you the method that I'm using to gain this wonderful and great result you can see on the screen. Yes, this is my own personal account. I've been displaying my student account over the time, but it's been long I've displayed on my own personal account. So this is my own personal account. Yes, and I've also been earning big over the time now that I've started, and I've trained many people that are still earning big also like this online around the world. Yes, so affiliate marketing is a way of getting money from home, and one of the methods and one of the things you need to become a successful affiliate marketer is to have a strong traffic system. Yes, strong organic traffic system, organic traffic that are going to give you commission on your affiliate marketing platforms. And I've tried several methods also by which I can get organic traffic to my affiliate platforms. I've tried several methods online. I've tried the paid traffic system, I've tried the emails, different system. I've tried them. But also as a software developer, yes, because I'm also a software developer, I developed several softwares, and over the years I've used several softwares which are developed by me to gain traffic online. But there's this particular software that I've been using, that I developed, that is giving me great commission like this. And I want to bring the opportunity to the general public that the software is up for sale now. If you want to get my software, there's also a video course that I've recorded that will take you step by step on how to use the software to get great results like this. So my software is up for sale now, and to get my software and video course on how to make big money online on any of your affiliate marketing platform, you can always contact me today on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, so contact me today and get my software and video course. And remember, you don't need to have any idea on affiliate marketing or how to use my software before you can start making money with my software on any of your affiliate marketing platform, because my software is not applicable to ClickBank alone, but you can, it's also applicable to other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus and the like. So contact me today and start earning big money